but we have just given him 21 days. He responds to whatever we have proposed, that we must have an inclusive leadership. We have given 21 days. After that, then the process takes its course.
Jina yangu naitwa Julius Kahora Waweru. Mimi ni mwakilishi wodi wa Kiganjo ward in Gatondo South Sub County. Tunaalika EACC na DCI wachunguze mambo yanayoendelea katika Kiambu. Mwanzo kabisa ni kuhusu mambo ya utengenezaji wa barabara. Barabara zinatengenezwa na mchanga ambao hujafikiwa kiwango cha kutengeneza barabara. Yaani ile maram inaletwa ni mchanga ama udongo wa kulimia, lakini si udongo wa kutengeneza barabara kama maram.
We rise to condemn the failure by His Excellency the Governor of Kiambu County to the national values and principles of governance as established in Article 10 of the Constitution of Kenya. Since he took office in 2022, Hon Wamatangi has operated the affairs of our county as a personal kiosk with retro respect as to the importance of county assembly as far as oversight, transparency, accountability, representation and sustainable development is concerned.
Thank you so much. My name is Ruth Paidera from Givega Ward. We call him the governor of Kenyeji Chicks and governor of Miu Miu. Today we have lost our 1 billion EPZ zone. It has been allocated to Muranga and it was supposed to be allocated to Kiambu because we were not able to provide the right documents. Our aggregated packs, the county aggregated packs, have not yet started because we have issues with Warohio Farm. We don't have the property in our name, and governor knew all those things and he's not.
Bohitokea gatahana tarama